What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to change an end date for your Teespring listings. This is a question I have been getting quite a lot on my Teespring videos, so I thought I'd make the answer in this video. So let's get started. You should log into your Teespring account. It's going to look something like this, and you will have your list of listings. You have to click on settings right here, okay? So select the listing that you want to change the end date for, either set an end date or remove an end date, and click settings. Click that, and just right over here it says schedule end date. So if you create a shirt, you will not have an end date. So when you first started with your products on Teespring, a year or 2 years ago, you had to create an end date right away. Now, this isn't the default. So now you have to create an end date if you want to. So let's select, let's say we want to make Monday 3 a.m. and let's say Eastern time, and we'll click save end date. And so now what's going to happen is when you go to your shirt, right? So let's click on this real quick and see what it's going to look like. You see this little time pressure here, right? And the cool thing about it is that it creates the time pressure, right? It's a basic sales tactic, exclusivity. Hey, it's only available for 3 days, it's off, get it now, get it fast, okay? So that's the beauty of it. Now, if you want to remove this, you simply, okay, we had to refresh it. If you want to remove it, you want to remove that time pressure, you click edit, and you can edit the time. So let's say you want to give someone another 2 days, you go here and you edit it, you say until, this is 22nd, until the 24th, and so on. If you want to remove it, don't click on end immediately. Don't do that. Click cancel end date. Click cancel end date, and that's it. Now the listing date has been canceled. So if you go to the shirt and you see what it looks like now, there is no end date anymore. Okay, that is it. And that is how you do it. Super simple. Been getting a lot of questions. Thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to do that. If you enjoyed this video, you will like my Facebook ads playlist and my Unbounce playlist, where I teach you how to drive traffic to your landing pages using Facebook and teach you how to create a landing page in the first place. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.